In this video, I'm going to transform this boring blue basket into a holiday hamper or a Christmas basket. This looks gorgeous. Are you wondering what am I doing with a basket full of eggs in the middle of the month of November? Well, I got this basket 2 years back and I used it for the Easter and spring decor. Me along with my kids, we painted these eggs. They look really cute and pretty, but I don't know what to do with this. I need to remove this. I never liked this color then also, I don't like it now also. So I'm going to flip this today. So the first thing, let's remove the eggs. In the base there is this blue tissue paper shreds, so remove this also, and there is some plastic here. Okay, this is actually the original glue and definitely doesn't go with my decor. I had been trying to use it but I really don't like it, so I'm going it's not made of cane, I don't think so, or maybe it's MDF and over which cane work has been done, and hopefully these are metal. This definitely is metal and it has been painted over. So first thing, I'm going to clean this and then paint it. Hi, I'm Mom and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. My channel is about doing lots of DIYs, trash to treasures, high-end dupes, everything related to home within budget. And if you love such content, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video, and do hit that notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. Today I'm going to share with you how I flip this blue colored flat surface tray into something special for the holidays, maybe a gift hamper or an organizer tray which will look very beautiful in the holiday or the Christmas decor. So I'm using an old brush with a broken handle. This is really good for dusting off from these crevices, those nooks and corners. So it's really clean now. So wiped it clean. Now I'm going to give it a base coat of pale colored paint and then we'll decide how to proceed. So I'm going to make sure that I go deep in the corners so that all this blue is hidden. I'll not paint this because I don't know what surface is this. Looks like paper, I'm not sure, but we can always maybe give a coat of paint and then add some paper or filler here as the base before adding any objects. My today's video is part of the Flipping Friday, the monthly challenge that is hosted by Jamie from the channel Board or Bananas. I'll put a link to Jamie's channel in the description box of my video along with the playlist link for this month so that you can enjoy more ideas. Let's see what happens once this piece dries up now. I hope it looks better. Now here is how it looks after the paint has dried, and you will agree that this paint looks much better when it's dry rather than when it was wet. And this basket is definitely looking far better than what I started with. I'm so happy I painted it finally. So now I gathered some, I had this hydrangea flower bunch in my stash, and then I have this different ribbons in reds, maroons, some burgundy, a little pom-pom ribbon. I mean, I'll see what I like. Now I'm going to do a little decoration, some leaves here in gold and green. I might just use the greens. Let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to use these ribbons and florals here to give it that holiday vibes. So I'm going to start from one end and go on to the other. Now the base is going to get covered. So I need not worry about it. One can glue it or just tape it. I'm binding it, leaving a little gap in between so that it looks pretty and festive. I've already glued it to the base, and here goes the ribbon. So I made sure that the shiny side of the satin ribbon is out, and I'm going along with this handle grooves so that it settles down well and looks better too. So this will be the back side, or we can do it on both the sides. I like doing very subtle decor, so I'm going to work more on one side and less on the other side. I might just add a little bow there. Okay, the small ribbon was not looking nice there, so I added the bigger, broader one there, and I made some bow with the rest of the ribbon that was there. And this is nice, but this side is not balanced. And I have this heart I made for the Valentine's using some velvet ribbon, so I'm going to just glue it here, and this will give the perfect colors and fill it up beautifully. Now the basket is done, but we need to put something on this inside before adding our goodies to this. So one can use any kind of fabric, tea towel, or placemat, or whatever you feel like, or maybe just tulle, net, mesh. I settled on this transparent paper for packaging. It has these beautiful red flowers all over it. It's transparent, so the base color is not lost. At the same time, there is little touch of red. So I've taken a piece which is bigger than this so that I can make it sit down. Now to give it a little, because it's like 4 corners are coming out, but what about these areas? So I'm using another paper, and this one has got white polka dots on it. So I'm going to place it opposite so that the pointy things, the angles, they come on alternate to the red one. And now this is the space where I can add my goodies. So far I managed to put in these items. I can maybe add something here if I find something space here. Let me give you a different angle for this. I think this looks beautiful, very cheerful and happy. I hope you enjoyed the transformation of the basket from a dull blue one to this gorgeous cream and red and green festive looking basket. This can be used as a gift hamper. It can be holding different munchies and goodies and be kept in your guest room or even in the hutch area, dining room or kitchen, or even next to your bedside table. I think this looks beautiful as well as very useful. I kept the base color cream so that I can use it for different seasons and occasions. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I thank you all for your time and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay positive, be creative and be happy.